Hello, hello! So today we are going to be looking at the areas of a triangle, a parallelogram, and a trapezoid. So we'll define the formulas, we'll talk a little bit about where they came from, and then we'll do an example to go with it. Okay, so let's start off with the area of a triangle. So let's say I have this triangle, has this height h and a base b. Then the area can be found by multiplying the base times the height and then divided by 2. Now the reason why the area is base times height divided by 2 is because the area of a triangle is actually half the area of a rectangle that has the same base and the same height. All right, so here's an example. So here I have a base of 10 and a height of 4. So I'm going to do 10 times 4 divided by 2, okay, which gives me 40. Divided by 2 gives me 20. Okay, so now let's take a look at the area of a parallelogram. So here's my parallelogram. My base is b, my height is h. Okay. Now the area of a parallelogram is actually equal to the area of a rectangle that has the same base and the same height. And so the formula is just area equals base times height. Okay, so here's an example. If I wanted to find the area of this parallelogram and it has a height of 3 meters and a base of 9 meters, then I can find the area by multiplying 3 times 9, which gives me 27 meters, or 27 square meters, sorry, 27 square meters. Now let's take a look at the area of a trapezoid. The trapezoid has two bases that are parallel and then the two sides and the height. So here, the area of a trapezoid can be found if you create an identical trapezoid and put them side by side. It forms a parallelogram. So you can find the area of the parallelogram, right, by doing base times height, but then you have to divide it by 2 because we don't want the area of the two trapezoids, we only want the area of one. So therefore the formula is b1 plus b2 times the height divided by 2. So here's an example. I have this trapezoid and it has these 6 inches on the left, 8 inches in the middle, 2 inches on the side, and a 6-inch height. So I know the base 1 is 8 and base 2 is 16. I just add up all the numbers across. So I add it to my formula. So 8 plus 16 times 6 divided by 2 gives me 24 times 6 divided by 2. That's 144 divided by 2 gives me 72 square inches. All right, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching.